Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how to make espresso, how to testing espresso. Beginner should be very important how to make espresso. You need to know how to testing, how for coffee, everything. So I show you today how to make espresso. Let's make it now. Espresso. So you can see guys, should be nice, very nice smell. If you guys beginner don't know how to make espresso, you cannot do it. This is very important things for espresso. Thank you guys. Please follow my page, follow, subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you.